In a world obsessed with fast likes and flashy trends, many people are still stuck when it comes to making real money. But here's the truth. Income isn't earned by chasing noise. It's built by solving problems, connecting with people, and creating something they truly care about. In this video, I'll show you 5 timeless principles that will help you start, grow, and sustain income whether you're building a brand, launching a side hustle, or reinventing your career. Strategy 1. Building a solution. Let's be honest, too many people start by asking, what can I sell to make money? But the better question is, what problem can I solve that's worth paying for? Income follows value. If what you create makes someone's life easier, simpler, or more enjoyable, they'll pay for it. And they'll talk about it. You don't need a groundbreaking idea, you need a helpful one. Someone created gluten-free, dairy-free baked goods and built a thriving business not by inventing cookies, but by understanding their niche. So before you build, ask, who needs this? Will they care enough to tell someone? Does this feel worth paying for? Strategy 2. Storytelling. People don't buy features, they buy meaning. A handbag isn't just a bag, a sneaker isn't just comfort, a course isn't just education. What makes them valuable is the story they tell. The key is resonance. Does your story connect with your audience's identity, their values, or their aspirations? Think of it like this. A woman doesn't buy a $30,000 purse because it holds more. She buys it because of the status it conveys. That's storytelling. That's perception. And perception creates profit. Your income starts growing the moment your product becomes a conversation piece. Strategy 3. The smallest viable audience. This one principle has built more sustainable businesses than any flashy launch ever will. It's called the smallest viable market. Instead of chasing the masses, focus on a tight group of people who deeply want what you offer. You don't need millions, you need 100 true fans, or maybe even 20. Imagine you're a consultant helping pediatric orthodontists grow their practice. That's not broad, but it's highly profitable because you're solving a specific problem for people who are ready to pay. When you're clear on who you serve, everything becomes easier. Your messaging, your pricing, your product design, and these people, they become loyal, they share, they return. Strategy 4. Consistency in branding. One of the fastest ways to destroy trust and income is to constantly shift who you are. Your audience doesn't need perfection, they need consistency. They need to know that when they show up, they're getting the same values, quality, and intention as the last time. Think of your favorite creators or brands. They don't reinvent themselves every month. They lean into what works and repeat it relentlessly. If you're running a podcast, publishing a newsletter, or selling products, your job is to be the most reliable version of yourself. Don't chase shiny objects. Build habits that serve. Your income depends more on what you do consistently than what you do occasionally. Strategy 5. Word of mouth. Word of mouth is the most powerful and cost-effective growth engine on the planet, but most people never leverage it because they make it hard to share. Here's what happens when you do it right. Your customer buys from you, they feel good doing it, and they talk about it because it gives them identity, status, or impact. Let's say someone buys a product that also donates to charity. That's not just a purchase, it's a story. They now feel proud to share it. And that, my friend, is free marketing and real income. So ask, does my offer make someone feel like a leader? Can they tell others without sounding awkward? Is there something about this worth bragging about? Create that feeling and people will do your marketing for you. Two things will shape your income journey more than strategy: practical empathy and the dip. Listen, watch, adapt. Build based on what real people want, not what you hope they want. There will be a moment when results stall, when you question everything. It's part of the process. Push through it, and that's when real results begin. Those who endure through the dip, they're the ones who eventually thrive.